Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Hardesty of Imagine Plastic Surgery and Hair 911. The topic today is hair loss in women. Well, most people think that hair loss only occurs in men. However, 30 to 40% of women will develop some type of hair loss. Now, the hair loss is a bit different. It can be along the frontal hairline, or it can just be thinning throughout the entire scalp. Or it can be from traction. Let's say that people will put on wigs, or they'll go ahead and use dreadlocks. The hair can be permanently removed in those areas. So, the psychological effects are significant. Thinning hair is correlated to most people as age. Also, most people will like to have a permanent result and not having to wear a hairpiece, not having to put different dyes on the scalp, or trying to use artificial means to thicken the hair. So we here at Hair 911 at Imagine Plastic Surgery offer an alternative to these non-permanent treatments. Using standard, state-of-the-art, well accepted, with very reasonable costs and great results, we use the automated follicular extraction and transplantation technology. So once we see you, we look at your hair pattern, we look at where we can take some hair from, and these areas we take it from are usually resistant to ever being lost again, because there can be genetics and it can be hormonal changes, but where the hair comes from will act like where the hair is going. So the hair taken out from the side where it's nice and thick will act like that hair forever. It will not act like the hair that was lost. So using this automated follicular extraction technique and transplantation, we will go in and, using small needle points, go ahead and extract each follicular unit one by one. Then go ahead and precisely prepare them, and using the same little needle prick size, decide where we're going to put the hair, either to go ahead and thicken the scalp, usually in the crown and in the front, or restore the hairline. Then we precisely look at the angulation and the density and put these hairs in.